All right, guys, I'm going to show you exactly how I get that lip sync just right, even after changing the speed, etc. So take your original clip, you're going to detach the audio. All right, here's the detached audio. Export that as an MP3. Then I take that clip, I'm going to upload it here. I'm going to go and choose my voice that I want to use. I'm going to generate that audio.
So this is what I switched to. Take it or leave it. Could not care less. I just like that.
All right, I'm going to download that audio. If I feel like she needs to be sped up, like if that's too slow of an audio, I'm going to bring it into AudioTrimmer, which is super easy and it doesn't distort the quality of the voice. Oh, make sure you're choosing tempo changer. So I'm going to upload it there.
So this is what I switched to.
Now, remember, you don't want to like make it too fast or too slow. It's got to have a natural feel. So typically you're going to limit it to about 1.1, 1.15 for the speed, because anything above that sound pretty crazy. So I'm going to change it to 1.1. All right, I'm going to change the speed by clicking this button, and I'm going to click this button to download. I go back into my video editor, go over to the video part. Here's the video. It also needs to match the speed, right? Make sure both the audio and the video are the same speed at this point. I'm going to put 1.1 as a speed, and then I'm going to bring in my new audio right here. Now, as you see, there's a little bit more to the clip. I don't know why this is, but every time I download a new audio or change a voice or something from ElevenLabs, it seems to change the length. And then you're going to actually listen and compare the voices together. Hold on, do that. All right. So we're going to take a listen.
So this is what I switched to.
Take it. All right. So it's not matching up still. I'm going to go here to the beginning and visually just try to match it up as best as possible.
So this is what I switched to. Take it or leave it.
So that's what I'm looking for. Even though there's two intonations happening at the same time, this is perfect. And I will even just clip off all the excess. I'm going to clip all of that off at the top, so that way we're starting right as she speaks.
So this is what I switched to.
And then I can just remove the old audio. Perfect. And since it's removed all of the background noises, I need to add that back in. And let me show you a real quick trick. You're going to go back into ElevenLabs. You go over here to the side panel, the left-hand side, and go to sound effects. I have my favorites. So there's lots of different options. I think I recently made one. Here, this is mine. Download it again. We're going to bring that ambient noise here. Like if she is closing the door, for example, you're going to definitely want to make sure that that is added back into your sound effects. And this is going to make it sound like she's in her natural environment while keeping that clear audio, right? Because that's the trick. So take a listen.
So this is what I switched to. Take it or leave it. Could not care less. I just like that it has all of the oils I wanted in one.
Maybe you could adjust the audio.
This is what I switched to. Take it or leave it. Could not care less. I just like that it has all of the oils I wanted in one bottle: Botana, coconut, and castor.
Isn't it so much better? And then, of course, trim off the extras that you're not going to use. And this is just one of my clips. I hope that was helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you have any extra questions.